Welcome to Sky Stadium in Wellington. This is a round 8 clash of the Super Rugby Pacific's top two New Zealand sides. The Hurricanes host the undefeated Chiefs on a Saturday afternoon in the capital.
Omua throws again. This time it comes on the Chiefs side, and Weber clears it quickly for Tokiaho, who was standing back through the hands of Kane. Now looking to outflank the Hurricanes here. Stevenson's got good speed. Now, what can he do? Fires the pass away for Narawa, and the try is scored by Daniel Rona, and the Chiefs strike early.
Well, that's sensational work from the Chiefs. And Daniel Rona in his second start.
And the ball has been left there, and off goes Rayasi. Referee was playing an advantage. I think it was a knock-on advantage, as now Barrett. Slisper, beautiful pass to Omua. And Asafo Omua gives it away to Roigard. He in turn pops it up to Bird. And the Hurricanes right out in front of the goalposts. Long pass away for Numia. Now it goes wide, and Flanders is in. Devon Flanders for the Hurricanes.
And they respond straight back, the home team.
From wide out, Barrett's kick is bang down the middle it goes. Now Morby. There's some offside play here by the Chiefs. They've got up too quickly, and they're getting caned in the penalty count. That's 5-0 now, as they came up too quickly there. And this one again beautifully struck. Now Weber away for Retallick, almost to the 22. Now Weber again. McKenzie drops a little kick in behind. The bounce will be interesting. Oh, it's all over the show. And it's been hauled in by Morby. And a penalty goes to the Chiefs. So here's Damien McKenzie looking to reply to the 3 that Geordie Barrett got a few minutes ago, and he does that. So 10 points to 8. Oh, thumping tackle by Karifi. Hurricanes looking to walk over the top of this, and they have too. So here's Roigard away for Umaga Jensen. Sends it wide for Savia. Julian Savia. Couple of metres short of the line. Now Roigard looking for the runners. And they take it up to within a metre. Roigard goes again. Now Numia. Barrett away for Morgan. And Aidan Morgan right out in front of the goalposts. Here goes Roigard! And the halfback has done it again.
What a try from that man, Cam Roigard, number 6 in this season.
Diversion has been made by Geordie Barrett. Ian Foster in attendance. Savia wins the line out. Roigard awkward for Morgan, but he did well. Here's Karifi striding into a gap. And then the ball bounces off Rayasi, and the ball lost forward. And in fact, there goes the siren, there goes the whistle, and the first half is completed here at Sky Stadium. And what a first half it's been in front of a very big crowd. And the Hurricanes leading at the break by 17 points to 8. Takiaho throws, one by Retallick. Now the Chiefs get a go. Here is Narawa. Got his knee to the ground, and so now Weber delays the pass for Retallick. Now here's Tokiaho, offloads it nicely, and here is Kane linking up with Soakola! And Soakola scores for the Chiefs.
Well, at halftime, they talked about it. You heard from Roger Randall around physicality and discipline.
If he does, a 2-point margin. And through it goes. Scrums have been really stable today. Here goes Ratama, has a go himself, and he's there. Cortez Ratama scores for the Chiefs.
We talk about impact from the bench. And Cortez Ratama, well, he's come on, he's had his nose on the ball.
As Mackenzie looks to add an extra 2, and yes, he does. Chiefs trying to drive the Hurricanes off the ball here, and it's been handled in the ruck. I think is the ruling.
Yes.
Right, here he goes. Damien Mackenzie bumps it hard, and it's a lovely kick. It's a beautiful kick. Kicks the penalty goal. Now Mackenzie has a dab, and Damien Mackenzie gets the try.
Well, they're top of the table for a reason. Well, they will be at the conclusion of this match.
As Mackenzie, up goes the kick, and unsuccessful this time. It's short again, and it's going to go dead, and that will be the end of the game. Game is over, and a well-deserved win for the Chiefs. They were behind at half-time, but they kept the Hurricanes scoreless in the second half and came away for, in the end, a comfortable win, 33-17.